Valencia is your second home race. What does it mean for you racing in front of your home crowd?
Well, I think it's a very nice feeling always, racing at home. I'm very lucky to have two races in Spain. Valencia is a nice city, a nice event, and I think you go out of the paddock, you are in the center of Valencia, you have the beach, you have nice weather normally, so the atmosphere and the weekend normally is very nice, so hopefully we can see a good race and put a good show for all the Spanish fans.
The question mark is, which Ferrari will be there? The one of Montreal or the one of Istanbul?
Hopefully we can see a competitive Ferrari in Valencia. I think in Istanbul, in Turkey, we had some underperforming race there, but I think the normal races we've been fighting for the podium always. So I expect in Valencia a very strong Ferrari again. I think the circuit layout is quite good for us. So the goal is to be in the podium on Sunday afternoon. The dream is to win the race. We see. I think we arrived with quite good atmosphere in the team. I'm very optimistic.
So far, we had 5 leaders in the championship. More surprises in the Formula 1 championship or in the Football World Cup?
I think it's more surprise at the moment in the World Cup. In Formula 1, the 5 different leaders, I think, is more or less expected because we knew at the beginning of the championship 4 top teams can win races, can fight for the championship. So we see some changing in the leader, but I think it's normal until now. I think in the second part of the championship will be much more consistent. Hopefully we are there in the fight and in top of everybody.